Napolitan Japanese spaghetti. I'm using 4 minutes spaghetti and a couple of vegetables and pasta, just break in half, and I put the pasta crossing in a rice cooker like this. Then I chop the vegetables and ham. Sausage is good too, and I'm using a little bit olive oil. Then using some water, I use 400 milliliters, and pasta is 2 bundle, and ketchup and Japanese Tonkatsu sauce, and this is chicken bouillon. Beef bouillon is good too. Then put vegetables and ham inside, and I added frozen vegetables, and let's choose the rapid cooking. So this is Japanese rice cooker, so it's in Japanese. So, and it cooks about 20 minutes, and let's check and see water is a little bit there. So I decided to cook maybe 1 more minute. So this is after 1 minute, so water is gone. So, and let's mix it. Then I noticed the color is a little bit light, so I'm using a little bit more ketchup, and I just added salt and pepper, and this is butter. Butter gives nice flavor. It's optional if you like just a little bit milk and Parmesan cheese, and just mix gently, and it's done. Thank you for watching. See you next video.